Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon unboxing, unbagging. Looks like they're advertising Thursday Night Football, which is now on Prime. Pretty cool. So let's open this up. I know what this is and I'm excited about it because I want to start using these immediately. So Kinder. This is a set. Do not separate. All right. Who are they talking to? Because I'm going to be separating these. I'm telling you right now. There's two of these in here, and I need one for one thing and one for another thing. So, oh, these are the bonus things. So this is not why I bought it, but these are a bag of stitch markers. So these are random stitch marker clips for crocheting and knitting. They're just like little teeny tiny plastic safety pins. And they work the same way. And they give me a lot. I don't know if it says how many, but let's look at that after. This is what I'm most excited about. This is a set of two little handheld finger digital counters for knitting or crochet. And I plan on using one for my little mini knitting machine, and I'm keeping one for crochet because I always have to count. So they look like they're both set. This one's counted to 183, and this one's counted to 45, and it says a count button and a reset button. So let's hit reset, and that puts it down to 0. Reset. All right, so now with the red one, let's say I'm doing a row of crochet, and I finish my row, I click, and it's 1. Finish another row, click, 2. Which is so much easier than what I've been doing, which is writing it down on pen and paper, or if I'm doing a digital pattern, then I write right on the computer, because you can do that with Microsoft's, what is Microsoft? Microsoft Edge will let you write right on the page. So I just usually check it off as I'm going right on the pattern for that. So this is so nice. Especially, like if you're doing every row and every row is different, then you can just mark it off on the pattern. But sometimes it'll say, okay, you know, now we're going to get to row 5. And from row 5 to row 45, you're doing the same stitch. And then it gets tedious to have to write it on paper. So you could just, you know, keep counting. Oh, I'm hitting reset instead of counting. Can you guys see it? That's awesome. And then reset when you're starting a new thing. And it comes in pink. Pink. Oh my god. It comes in blue and red. And I think you get random colors. And you can wear them like a ring. So, let's see. If I put it on, because I crochet with my fingers, so I wouldn't need my fingers, right? Let's see if I can close this up. Let me first close this as a ring shape. There's all these little things, like they jut out and they go through the holes. And then you could wear it on your finger as a ring and keep it loose. Because this is the hand that I hold the yarn in when I'm crocheting, and this is the hand that I hold the hook in. So if I swivel it a little bit, I could go do finish my row, click, yes. Do finish my row, click. How perfect! And of course it also works for rounds, because sometimes you're crocheting in rounds to make stuffed animals and things. So you go, you know, crochet, crochet, finish, click. Oh my god, that is perfect. Oh, where have these been all my life? Some women wait all their life for a diamond ring, not me. I've been waiting all my life for a finger digital counter with knitting counter. I don't know. You know how those names are on Amazon. They have the weirdest names. Listen to what it says in the title for this. Kinder with 2 Ds. Stitch counters, LCD finger digital counter with knitting, knit, row counter, stitch marker, crochet, locking clips, stitch markers for knitting and crocheting random color 2 pieces. Whew! Okay, so total run-on sentence, but these are absolutely brilliant. Now, I could not use these with my left hand because this is the hand that I'm using for tension. But I'm also going to be using this for my little knitting machine. And what I thought I could do is just somehow affix it onto here. But I really wouldn't have to. I could just wear it like a ring. That, yeah, no problem. Because I can crank a row. And when it comes to the black, that's one row. So you would click it. And then you would go around. Imagine there's yarn in here and it's knitting. Black one. Click it. Oh, yeah. It's perfect as it is. As a ring, this is like my new favorite ring. And you know what it reminds me of? When I was a little girl, you could buy candy rings, and they were like a giant ring in the shape of a soother. And I loved those things, like a pacifier, a baby pacifier. We used to wear those in class all the time. Our teachers would get mad because we weren't allowed to eat in class. So we started wearing like candy jewelry, candy necklaces, and candy rings. But the teachers caught on real quick, so then they banned them. But for a while, we got to eat in class by surreptitiously taking a lick of our ring until the teacher figured out they were candies. Look at my beautiful new jewelry. Yay! Kind of clashes with my fingernails. And my little pumpkins. Oh, I wish I would have got the orange one. In the ad, it's a blue one and an orange one. But you know what? These are cool. And I also ordered more from Temu because they're way, way cheaper on Temu. So I will do an unboxing when the Temu ones come, and we will do a comparison between the Amazon ones and the Temu ones, and I'll let you know if they're the same thing or not. Because if they are the same thing, then Temu is like half the price. If they're not the same thing, I'm already totally in love with these. I think they're awesome, and I'm so happy I got them. Plus, all of this stuff. Let me move this aside. These are just great. This makes me happy. Where have these been all my life? Here, let's do this for the thumbnail. Let's put my thumbs in the thumbnail. Ta-da! I wonder how many are in here. Does it say? 50 pieces. It says there are 50 pieces here. And I have really big fingers, and I have no trouble getting these on any of my fingers, and I don't even have it on the tightest ring. I could make it one bigger if I want it. So these are, where have these been? What? I did not know these existed. And you know what? If I wouldn't have bought that knitting machine, I still wouldn't have known these existed, because I saw, after I bought the knitting machine, Amazon started recommending these things. So I wouldn't have known otherwise, because I could have been using these for the last 50 years of crocheting. You know, I don't know when they were invented, but oh my God, this is so easy. This is so much better than writing it down. And clear? Oh my God. These are great. Okay, I'm going to I love these. This is like the best $15 I've ever spent for crocheting. Okay, guys. And this is just a bonus. I don't use these. I'm old school. I just use a long piece of yarn in a contrasting color to mark my stitches. But I'm sure those will come in handy for the knitting machine, maybe. So, but for crochet, I will stick with what I know. But I am so glad that I got these. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of those good things that help me as a channel. Most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, happy crafting, and have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.